Today is Tuesday, October 14th, 2025. Another nice green day for me, despite the red shirt. This is my second green day in this red shirt. My last red day was about 3 weeks ago. I was wearing this red shirt. So I've been proving it to myself that it's not the red shirt. Anyway, today I traded all morning. I traded until about 9 a.m. or 30 minutes after the opening bell. I took 56 trades. I went green on 39 of them. And I ended the day with a profit ratio of $6.62 at 70% accuracy, 70% accuracy. So pretty nice. My losers, I did really nice again today, yesterday and today. I'm really happy with how I lost. 17 losers. My biggest loser was 13 cents. And my average loser was 7 cents. Even my biggest loser being 13 cents, I can't really complain about that. I mean, that's really just one green trade away from making it up. So 7 cents on the average, and my average winner was 20%. So the ratio is right there. And when you put that together with the 70% accuracy, it makes for a really nice morning. There was a couple tickers I traded this morning. ELAB. I took a few trades on when I first sat down at 6 a.m. Actually, my first trade was at 5:58, just a few minutes before 6. And then I switched to CYN and JZDG. I kind of switched from chart to chart there for probably half an hour or so on those two. I snuck in another ELAB trade around shortly after 7 a.m. And then the ticker SBLX became what I focused on for the rest of the day. And I took probably about 20 trades on it. So did really nice on it. I even traded it through the market open and did really well as well. So really nice Tuesday. And hopefully we can put this together and have another nice Wednesday also. All right. This is the ticker SBLX, 1 minute chart. This is where I made some of my better moves and also my biggest loser on Tuesday morning. Again, my biggest loser was only 13 cents, so I don't want to stress on that too much. But I made some really nice trades here pre-market. I didn't quite catch the beginning of this move, but as we started breaking here through the 650s into the 7s, I made a couple nice snipes, and then we broke through 7 and tickled 750 here. Another nice move there for me. I did get one dip and hold around the $7 mark as we broke down, and then I backed away and let it come down. I didn't think we were going to get another curl, but we did on the market open. Just a few minutes into the market open, we had a nice rip from the 650s all the way, broke through 7, and ended up hitting 750 here. And then I made my biggest move as we broke through 7 here. I saw us starting to creep up to the VWAP, and at this point the VWAP was around 680. I made an entry to break through VWAP, expecting to hit $7 and just snipe 15 or 20 cents out, and this thing ripped all the way up to 730. I went from the 680s to the 730s. I don't remember the exact numbers, but it was a 44-cent winner. That was my biggest green move of the day. My biggest red trade came just a few candles later, where we had a little bit of a, I don't know, we call it a false breakout, I guess. But we started squeezing up here, 785, thinking we were going to see the $8 mark, and it didn't come. I got in a little early on this as I started just kind of shooting straight up. I got in the 770s. I did not take profit because I thought we were going to see $8, and then it came back really quickly. I ended up getting out in the 760s for a 13-cent loss. And then I backed off again, and that went from 785 all the way down to 685. That was about $1 worth of downtrend there in just a candle or two. So I stepped away for a little while, and then I think I made 1 or 2 more trades in this consolidation area, and then I called it good for the morning. We were kind of going sideways, and then we started going below VWAP. So backside, I just kind of stick away from those.